residential property management services with Harland Property Management, a San Diego-based property management firm. Investing in a rental property in San Diego can be a rewarding endeavor, but it requires significant time, effort, experience, and knowledge. That's where Harland Property Management comes in. At our full-service San Diego property management company, we understand the frustration and hassle that come with managing your rental property. We offer comprehensive services designed to help you achieve success. Marketing is key to successful rentals. We provide an expert market analysis for each property we manage to maximize your return on investment. We conduct extensive screening on all tenants and handle every aspect of getting your investment rented in the shortest time possible. We make sure you get paid on time. You no longer have to worry about rent showing up in your bank account because we take care of everything. We conduct inspections upon move-in and move-out and ensure all maintenance issues are addressed in a timely manner. We are also available for 24/7 emergency maintenance services. With our detailed financial reporting tools, keeping track of your investment is a breeze. Just log into your owner portal to view your statements and more. Whether you're an owner, renter, or vendor, we're here to help you achieve your property management goals. From expert marketing to tenant screening, rent collection, and timely maintenance, we've got you covered. Plus, our detailed financial reporting tools make it easy for you to stay on top of your investment. Want more information? If you're a property owner looking for more information on how our comprehensive property management services can help you maximize your investment, please don't hesitate to reach out. Contact us today or visit our website to learn more. We're here to help you every step of the way.